Hello there, my name is Trina Rimmer. I'm an instructional designer and a self-described PowerPoint junkie, and just thought I'd share with you a very cool, very simple and clean line-drawn animation effect. I was actually inspired by one of my children's stories called Follow the Line that takes advantage of this sort of animation style. So let me just play this for you real quick so you can see how it comes together, and then we'll de-engineer it from there. So we're just following the line as it's building some stair steps. Next steps. There we are. Okay, so let's take a look at how to do it. First off, you'll notice that the stair step effect would probably be really easy to achieve just by using this this line draw, this shape that comes with PowerPoint. Frankly, I just didn't think that it animated very well. It didn't have that cool kind of seamless hand-drawn effect. It just looked like a series of shapes being animated, so I preferred to go with creating the stair step effect manually. So let's do that real quick. We'll just do one step so you can see. So I've drawn a horizontal line. I'm going to go ahead and color that white. My line style, the width of this, I like it kind of chunky, so it really shows 6 point. A rounded edge gives it a more sort of casual hand-drawn effect, and a mitered joint makes sure that it's nice and clean. Okay, and let's draw a vertical line, and let's see if I can get these two to meet up. And we'll go through that same process again. We're going to do a line color of white, a line style that is 6 points, round, mitered. Okay, cool. And it worked out really well that these two are nicely joined together here. Sometimes it'll be off a little bit one way or the other. Just simply hold down your Alt key and kind of drag it into place. The Alt key just frees it from the grid lines and doesn't want to snap in place that way. Okay, so we've got it drawn. Let's go ahead and add some animation here. The wipe effect is what I've used for this, and this first one, we want that one to actually come in from the left, and we want that to happen as soon as this starts up, and then as soon as that line's done, so after the previous, I want the vertical line to show up. So let's play that. See? Nice and seamless, very easy. Here's an example of how I integrated it into another project that I worked on. My avatar is there with her piece of chalk, and I even managed to mock up a little eraser and some more chalk for her. And then this is kind of cool. This would be, I think, a really slick little opening to something. Might be a great splash screen if you could find the right clip art to use as the basis, and it's very clean. And basically all I did there was I grabbed a free Microsoft clip art, I ungrouped the objects, removed the background, changed the color to the colors I'd like, plopped it on the screen, and then used that shape as a template for drawing my lines. And same thing with the tree. Found the tree, the space was brown, I just recolored all the branches to white. And let's take a look at that animation again so you can kind of see how it all comes together. And in fades the house and the tree, and the sun comes out, and just really simple. You could go crazy and have clouds and birds and all that other stuff too if you'd like, but I'm all about simple. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the screencast and maybe learned a cool little simple trick or got some inspiration for your next design. Thanks for watching.